To San Fernando Christian Community, happy 16th anniversary, and thank you, and more power to you guys. God bless you, and may God in Christ be with you always. So peace out. Happy Fiesta.
Happy Fiesta, San Fernando Christian Community. I'm glad that you are working hand in hand with government to make our city and our province a more peaceful place to live in. Happy Fiesta po sa inyo lahat.
On behalf of the provincial government of La Union, headed by Governor Manuel Ortega, and in behalf of the provincial board of the province of La Union, I would like to congratulate the San Fernando Christian Community Church in its 16th anniversary. Thank you very, very much for all the things that you have done to our constituents in the province of La Union. And I just hope that you will continue your support, especially in molding our youth to become good Christians in the future, and to be a part of this community of ours in the province of La Union. Once again, in behalf of the entire officialdom of the province of La Union, congratulations to each and every one of you. Mabuhay kayong lahat, and God bless you all.
I would like to greet the San Fernando Christian Community happy 16th anniversary. That will be specifically on February 23 and 24.
I would like to congratulate Pastor Timothy Warden and the Christian Church of San Fernando on its 16th anniversary. It's a very lucky year this year, 2008, and I hope that we will grow bigger and continue praying for our dear city of San Fernando.
Happy Fiesta, my dear townmates in the city of San Fernando. Congratulations on the anniversary of the Christian Church. And thank you so much for being good partners in good local governance. Without you, we would not have succeeded as we have in the past years. And we hope to continue as your partners to make San Fernando City a better place to live in.
Happy Fiesta, San Fernando Christian Community. Happy anniversary. Happy Fiesta, San Fernando Christian Community, and a happy anniversary.
Happy Fiesta, San Fernando Christian Community. Happy anniversary.
Happy Fiesta, San Fernando Christian Community. Happy anniversary.
Happy Fiesta, San Fernando Christian Community. Congratulations on your 16th anniversary.
Happy Fiesta, San Fernando Christian Community. Happy anniversary.
Happy Fiesta, San Fernando Christian Community.
Congratulations on your 16th anniversary.
Happy Fiesta, San Fernando Christian Community. Happy anniversary.